Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube and maybe someday again on Twitter, but right now, still suspended over ridiculous stuff, over a tweet that was taken out of context by one of their algorithm bots. Sigh. Anyway, this is the November Ipsy Glam Bag with the theme Wild Side. There, dare you to step into uncharted territory with electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. I'm going to Australia at the end of January. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. Let's get into the products in this fun animal print bag. Okay, Ipsy, November Glam bag. Oh my god, look at it. It's so cute. I have okay, look, I'm wearing my Duran Duran shirt. I have total Duran Duran, like Hungry Like the Wolf, Seven and the Ragged Tiger vibes with this bag. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so Wild Side. Whoop! Da-da-da-da. Product list. Love that this started in 2019 with Ipsy. We have the Murad Essential C Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF, which I'm going to need because it's going to be summer in Australia when I am there at the end of January, early February. Interesting fact, when I lived in Los Angeles, was a guinea pig model for Murad. That's right, I would get their products and test them, and then they'd take photos of my face and everything before people could buy it, or right after it would go on sale. Then we have Pixi by Petra. Oh, this bag. Oh, there's some tea with this bag. Anyway, Pixi by Petra. We have the mesmerizing mineral duo in Naturally Made. A couple nudes here. If I can get them open. Why? I had you open. Ah, there we go. There we go. Okay, we're going to do a little eye here. Oop. And I oop. I should just use that brush I was holding, but yeah, let's see here. Little nude eye, real quick. This has got a little shimmer to it. There we go. And then this has got a little peachy rose to it. There you go. Don't know that you can even tell. Very natural look. Okay. Which is interesting that I got this, and then I had an add-on because when you review things on Ipsy, you get points that you can trade in, and I got a Lime Crime lip paint, which is funny because earlier this year, I had two very similar items stolen from me from a makeup artist here in Chicago. So if you're based in Chicago and you don't want to work with a thief, message me and I'll make sure that you know her name, because that ain't cool, man. So this is called Low Key, which I was definitely like not low key there, because I will call you out if you're a thief. Oh. Nicely. There we go. It's kind of like it's kind of mauve-y. There we go. So that was my little bonus item, which isn't on this sheet because of the bonus item. So, recouping my losses. Back to the bag. We have Grace and Stella blackhead removal mask. Definitely put that on nose. Get all that junk. It's a peel-off mask. It pulls out blackheads, dirt, oil. I have not had much success with peel-off masks because they don't want to peel off. I don't know. It says blackheads are no fun, but removing them can be. Okay, maybe. We'll see. We'll find out. Then we have the Slmissglam tapered face brush. Oh, I did not know. This is invented by a YouTuber. Fun times. So they're stylish looking. I really do like the eyeshadow one I have. It's like this, only it's like gold, like rose gold glitter. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's my cat eating. Anyway, finally we have Gigi Gorgeous, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer in Turn. Cute little compact there. Oh, it's an Ipsy exclusive as well. So, just gonna bronze here with the brush. Define those cheekbones a little. There we go. So, those are all the products in this really fun Ipsy bag. And until next time, follow me on Instagram, follow me here. Hopefully I get my Twitter back. Stay beautiful.